Welcome back. If you're looking for the best smart lock to protect your home while adding modern convenience, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're counting down the 5 best smart locks you can buy in 2026. Whether you want fingerprint access, smartphone control, Apple Home compatibility, or built-in Wi-Fi, we've selected options for every budget and lifestyle. Stay until the end to discover which smart lock offers the best value and which one takes the #1 spot. Number 5. Level Lock Pro. The Level Lock Pro stands out because it hides advanced smart technology inside a lock that looks almost identical to a traditional deadbolt. This minimalist design preserves your home's appearance while offering smartphone control, remote access, and support for Apple HomeKit, Amazon Alexa, and Google Home through compatible setups. The lock features auto lock and auto unlock, making daily use incredibly convenient without constantly reaching for your phone or keys. Installation is straightforward, and most existing hardware can remain unchanged. Despite its discreet appearance, the Level Lock Pro delivers strong security, dependable performance, and premium smart home features, making it ideal for homeowners who want technology without changing the look of their front door. Number 4. eufy Video Smart Lock S330. The eufy Video Smart Lock S330 combines a smart lock, video doorbell, and security camera into one powerful device. Its integrated camera provides live video monitoring, two-way communication, and motion detection directly through the eufy security app. Besides remote smartphone control, users can unlock the door using fingerprints, PIN codes, physical keys, or voice assistants. Local storage helps protect privacy without requiring monthly subscription fees for many features. The lock delivers clear video quality during both day and night while sending instant alerts whenever someone approaches your entrance. If you're looking for an all-in-one smart security solution that simplifies home protection, the S330 is one of the best choices available today. Number 3. Ultraloq U-Bolt Pro Wi-Fi. The Ultraloq U-Bolt Pro Wi-Fi offers incredible flexibility by providing multiple ways to unlock your door. You can use your fingerprint, smartphone app, PIN code, physical key, auto unlock, or voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant. Built-in Wi-Fi allows remote management without requiring an extra bridge. The fingerprint sensor is fast and accurate, while the mobile app lets you create temporary access for family members, guests, or service providers. Activity logs keep track of who enters and leaves your home. Easy installation, reliable battery life, and weather-resistant construction make this smart lock suitable for both indoor and outdoor environments. It's an excellent option for users who want maximum convenience and security in one device. Number 2. Schlage Encode Plus. The Schlage Encode Plus is designed for users who want premium security with effortless smart home integration. One of its standout features is Apple Home Key support, allowing compatible iPhones and Apple Watches to unlock the door with a simple tap. Built-in Wi-Fi eliminates the need for an additional hub, making remote access easy through the Schlage Home app. The lock also works with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant for voice control. Its Grade 1 security rating offers outstanding physical protection, while features like customizable access codes and real-time notifications provide extra peace of mind. If you value strong construction, smart connectivity, and dependable performance, the Schlage Encode Plus is an outstanding investment. Number 1. Yale Assure Lock 2. The Yale Assure Lock 2 continues to be one of the most trusted smart locks available in 2026. It offers multiple unlocking methods, including PIN codes, fingerprint access on selected models, smartphone control, and traditional keys. The lock supports Apple HomeKit, Google Home, Amazon Alexa, SmartThings, and Matter, making it an excellent choice for almost any smart home setup. Installation is simple for most standard doors, while the Yale app allows you to manage users, create temporary guest codes, and monitor lock activity from anywhere. With reliable security, excellent battery life, and wide smart home compatibility, This lock is perfect for homeowners looking for convenience without sacrificing safety. It combines premium features with dependable everyday performance.